Today's video is very brief, so I beg watch it in full, okay? By the way, we are making Ayoyo soup for our babies who just started solids. Let's get right into it. There's no time to waste. So in my saucepan here, I'm going to add my Ayoyo leaves or jute leaves, and then it's looking the way it's looking because it was in the freezer. Okay, then I'm going in with some onions and tomatoes, and then some fish powder, which is herrings powder, dried herrings powder, okay? And then I'm adding enough water, and then I'll cover and allow to cook. But for added fats, I'm going to go in with a bit of coconut oil, and then I'll cover this and allow to boil over for about 10 minutes. You don't have to do much when it comes to baby food. It's actually very simple to make your own at home, okay? And this is certainly one of the healthiest meals you can find in Ghana. And then here we go, it's boiling beautifully. As you can see, it's doing well, it's ready to be blended, okay? In place of the fish powder, you can use shrimp powder or you can use any other protein of your choice, okay? So in goes my mixture or ingredients in my blender, and then I'll blend till it's to my preferred texture. So this is the final outcome of this nutritiously yummy homemade ayoyo soup for our babies who are starting or have started solids. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Subscribe, please, if you haven't done that already. And if you're new here, my name is Yasmi. Please leave a comment down below on your way out. Give me a thumbs up on the video and share as always. And until I see you again in another video, please keep blooming.